this is Jonnie Grooms, and today we're back in the bathroom, and I'm going to be applying a black mask. I think every cosmetic, makeup, or skincare product has to have at least one black mask video. It was all the rage a year ago. Everybody was putting black masks on their face and uploading their reactions and their pulling off and everything like that, so I feel like it's a rite of passage. I hear they're quite painful, so let's see. This won't be the first time I use a black mask, so I know that it's not too bad. But it's the first time with this particular brand. Oop. I don't know it. This. Want to put a little more in, make sure it's on there nice and evenly. Yep, using my camera as my mirror. I'm only gonna go with the nose because I don't need to do a whole face. Boom. Alright, so let this sit for like, let's see, what does the bottle say? The bottle says 20 to 30 minutes, so I'll be back. Alright, so it's been a half hour, and now it's time to peel this damn thing off. And now you can see how it really dried and picked up all of these, I guess they're blackheads on my nose. Okay, here comes the peel. I don't know if y'all can hear this, but oh. Okay. Here it is. There are some stuff on here. It's pretty gross. I'm not gonna bring it up to the camera to show y'all. But all right, so just going over the nose thing, I did use a face cleaner. So I used the face cleaner, used the black mask, and now I'm going to be using some balancing toner from Brickle. I don't have any cotton swabs, so I'm just gonna dab with the finger and hit the nose with the toner. This will get any impurities and will shrink your pores down. Alright, that'll be all for today. Happy Sunday. If you like the content of the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.
We could be, and how careless